Take a look, see. So yeah, you have got to make this recipe. I know you're going to love it. I'm not kidding. Let's make this delicious cinnamon raisin bread. You're gonna soak a half a cup of raisins in a fourth of hot water and set it aside. Then you're gonna add 3 room temperature egg whites and 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. You're gonna give it a good whisk. And to that, you're going to add about 1/4 of a cup of raw honey or maple syrup or coconut sugar and 1 generous tablespoon of cinnamon. We really like cinnamon. Mix that well and add 1.5 cups almond flour, but you can use any gluten-free flour of your choice. 2 teaspoons of aluminum-free baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt or any sea salt of your choice. And lastly, 5 tablespoons of golden flax meal, but you can substitute that with hemp hearts or psyllium husk or even soaked chia seeds. Mix it well, adding in 1/2 cup of very, very hot water, incorporating all the ingredients. It will have a cake batter consistency, and that's okay. It will absorb the moisture. You're going to fold in your raisins and incorporate them as well. Be sure to mix everything evenly. Give it a good taste, and I added an additional tablespoon of cinnamon. It may need a little bit more maple syrup, sugar, or raw honey, but you do it to your liking. Blend it up and grab a pan with parchment paper. This is very important. Spoon it in and shape it into a loaf and bake it at 350 for 118 minutes. Be sure to let it cool completely. Okay friends, so the bread is out. I've let it cool for quite a while, at least an hour or 2. And I want to show you how beautiful this loaf is. So on the darker side, not because it's burnt, but because I use like 3 tablespoons of cinnamon, because I really, really like the way the cinnamon tastes with the sweetness of the honey or the maple syrup and the raisins. I'm gonna cut it and let you see how it looks on the inside. And it's a perfect slice, guys. We tend to eat, look at that, too much bread as Americans. Our Western diet is not good, and so these are controlled size slices of bread. It also cuts fantastically. So you can obviously cut it to the thickness of your choice. We tend to do it about a 1/4 inch thick. And I toast it every time because it gets crispy and warm with the outer crust, and it's soft and moist on the inside. And we love to add a little bit of butter. Well, I should say a lot of butter or ghee because it's good fats. Take a look, see. So go bake it, okay? Okay, enjoy.